It's a 2016 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Apple CarPlay, dual-zone climate control, Ecotec 3 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. Cadillac, second to none. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.